Guys, it's me, Vel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another dollar shopping spree. So we're at a Dollar Tree in Colorado, but at a different one. I am about an hour away from home, so we're at a new one, so we're gonna go see what we find. I'm super excited. I hope that they have a lot more than my Dollar Tree because mine's tiny, and this one looks pretty big. It looks huge. So let's get in there and let's shop. Okay guys, so I definitely already see things that are not at my Dollar Tree. So I've seen a few videos about this highlighter. It's supposedly like the best, and I think that's the only color, Shine Bright. So I'm gonna go ahead and get one for me to try out in a video, and then one for you guys. Anyway, I already see like so much stuff. They even have these beauty pots. These are really cute. That's cute. I wouldn't use it, but it's cute. So if you guys want to check out your Dollar Tree, they have 3 different shades. Then I already see that they have so much like lip glosses, LA colors. They have those over there. So over here I saw that they have these nails. I don't know, they look tiny, so let me know if you guys have tried them out. They do. So they have these. They look really tiny, so I don't know, but that's pretty cool that they have them. So anyway, they have like a bigger polish thing. They even have these cute little nail polish remover bottles. Those are cute. You're not a good protector. Okay, so let's just go on to, ooh, these are, so they have these foil masks. 3 masks come in it, so I'll for sure try one out, and I'll put one in the giveaway. They do have contour sticks, so that's cool. I remember trying these a long time ago, and they actually are really good. So a new thing that I do see are these lip oils. It's probably like super good for your lips. They have this one in watermelon. Then they also have what is that? Strawberry, the purple one, and then they have mint. So that's cool. I'm gonna go ahead and get a mint one for you guys. Ooh, look, they have different bronzers. So they have Sun Goddess, and then they have a more purpley one that's called Glow Time. Just not my type of thing, so I'm gonna skip on those. So they have these lip stains. They have lip stains. And they also have these masks. I think I have seen these at the other Dollar Tree. They have these. These are pretty cute for like stocking stuffers and stuff. It is Glam Gloss from LA Colors. I think I like everything from LA Colors. Alright, they have nail tips. I haven't seen these over there. They also have these really cute little mirrors that say Glamour all the way. And then I see that they have the little makeup bag that goes with it. So that's super cute. That's a cute little stocking stuffer gift idea. Then they have eyelashes. They have LA Colors Dainty. These are actually a really good favorite of mine. Oh, it's a lip scrub. I'm for sure gonna try this out. This is the LA Color lip scrub. I'm gonna take one for you guys as well. So over here they have Vaseline. That's cool, that's a good brand. They have Vaseline, they even have lip smackers. These are all good stocking stuffers. What is this? So they have body spray, scented body spray. I'm not going to take that. They have the basic wipes, but I'm not going to pick up any today because I don't need. They have a charcoal acne scrub. So that's cool. And then they also have the cleanser. Then they have these sheet masks, but I already have something similar, so I'm going to skip out on that, but that's pretty cool. Oh my gosh, this is what I was looking for. So I really wanted to try these. I've seen these that other people get. They're LA Colors hydrating face mist. Really cool to put in your bag, and you can, like, after the gym, or anyway, they have a cucumber. Okay, so they have the cucumber mist. These are super tiny, like perfect for your bag. This is rose, and they have coconut. I personally would like all of them, so I'm taking each of these. Which one should I get for you guys? I think I'm gonna, like, everybody would like the rose. Like, I feel everybody would like this one, so I'm gonna get one of these for you guys. Okay, so I'm in the bath section, and they have all kinds of bath salts. So this is something I was looking for. They have facial moisturizers, so I'm gonna go ahead and try these out. I'm gonna try one. I'm not gonna get both. You know what? I'm gonna get one each, one for you and one for me. So I don't know which one I'm keeping for me. This one's rose water and honey, and this is lavender and orange blossom. So I'm gonna take the pink one for me and the purple for you guys. Then they have these fragrance body mist. I'm not gonna get one, but this is the peonies and pear. Then they have coconut and wild berries, and then they have vanilla bean peppermint. That probably smells really good. They have these hand creams that are perfect for stocking stuffers. They have bath crumbles. Ooh, I found some more. This is body souffle after shower cream. Bath bombs that are in the shape of stars. That's super cute. These face mask, not face mask. I'm gonna go ahead and try one of these. They have the purple, that's orange blossom and lavender, rose water and honey, and pineapple and aloe vera. And I think I'm gonna try the pineapple. They had some type of, I think it was like jasmine. I didn't like the shower gel, but here they have cranberry and cinnamon, which they probably both smell good, but I'm gonna go ahead and skip out. They do have the lotion, which is really nice, so that's cool if you want like a matching set. Cranberry. And here's the hair accessories. They have really cute mirrors. For sure I need this for my children because combs are very important. So we're gonna take that. Okay, so then they do have dry shampoo, guys. So we're gonna try these. I'm gonna take one for my daughter because she's into dry shampoo, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and try one as well. We'll just take this one. We'll take the dry shampoo and the scent blossom. They have so many cute little hair clips. Like, these are super cute. These little clips are cute also. Who remembers these when your mom used to friggin' torture your head? I do. They have this one. It's super cute, and it's a cute little pearl on a black band. That's really, really cute for your wrist. So at home I already have the one that looks like this that's pink, but I think I'm gonna get the leopard. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this guy. These are super cute. I have not seen these over there. Those are cute. Cute little hair clips. I wonder if I would be brave enough to wear this. I don't think so, but they're super cute. They have a few different things than the so far they do have a lot of things that my Dollar Tree doesn't have, so we're gonna keep looking and go down a different aisle. They have Donald Duck juice, whatever Donald Duck juice is. I just had to show you guys. They have Disney Donald Duck tropical juice. Kiwi. This reminds me of the, what is it called? Fabuloso. So I hate that they like, I don't know, that looks too dangerous. I think I'm gonna get one of these because I'm constantly taking different sauces to work. And it's like a squeeze. Cute little candle rolling tide. That's pretty much it, guys. So thank you for watching. If you're new here, subscribe. Turn on your post notification button so that it notifies you every time I upload a video like this one. So I'm gonna go because there's a lot of people here, but we did have some good finds, so that's good. So talk to you later. Bye.